Hey guys, my name is Dean. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the built-in alignment system for the Manful Yoga edition of our Cork yoga mat. So first off, the reason why we made the alignment system is because we're interested in you doing yoga as effectively as you can and avoiding injury. So this ensures proper technique. It helps to make sure that you're doing the poses correctly and safely. It also helps you focus on your body instead of worrying about whether or not you're doing the pose correctly. So it's going to help, and then by doing the technique properly, you're going to avoid pain or discomfort in your knees, in your back, in your wrist, and then over time you will prevent injury because the accumulation of poor movement patterns leads to injury. And then finally, you're going to get better results in less time. So that's the reason why we added a built-in alignment system to this mat. Now, how it works. The alignment markings are reference points. They're not exact spots where you put your feet or your hands. So it's not like Twister. You're just supposed to use the lines as reference points to make sure that your hands or your feet or your legs are lined up at the correct angle in relation to that marking. So I'll walk you through that in a second. But the cool thing about these markings are they're universal. So they work for anybody. It doesn't matter what your flexibility levels are. It will work for anybody. So let's start in the middle. First, we've got the Manful Yoga symbol, or the logo. So you've got the symbol right in the middle of the mat. That helps you know where the middle of the mat is. And then around it, you'll notice that we have these lines going out. So this is useful for a position like Haka, which is usually called goddess or horse pose in yoga, so that you know to turn your feet out at the same angle for whichever, however much you want to turn your feet out, then you can do it the same angle for both feet. And that makes it so that you're doing the pose more balanced. So again, using that as a reference point, not using that as the point where your feet go, but in relation to your feet. And then moving out, we have these Warrior One lines. So these are really important because they help you with Warrior One alignment and with Pyramid. And when you're doing a Warrior One, it's different than a Warrior Two, but your back foot is out 45 degrees. And so again, I don't have to put my foot directly on the line. It's just making sure that my foot lines up with that line. So I can put it here, 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 wherever. But just using that as, again, as a reference point. The other lines that we have here are the vertical line that bisects the mat. And this is important because when you're doing a down dog or a plank or even a Warrior Two pose or anything that requires you squared straight on or squared straight out, you can use that to make sure that you're lined up correctly. So for instance, if I'm doing a down dog, right, I can use that vertical line to make sure that my feet are in the middle of the mat, to make sure that my hands are spread evenly. And then as I'm pushing back into down dog, I'm lined up right in the middle. So I'm not leaning off to the right or to the left or looking slightly to the right or to the left, but I'm looking straight back. So that's going to help me notice imbalances if I have any, and also to make sure that I'm not contributing to them. And then finally, we have these sets of horizontal lines at either edge of the mat. And this is really cool because you can use these as indicators of depth. So you can measure your progress. So as you're getting more flexible, your feet will move out to the first, the second, the third line. And then what's really cool and is totally unique, we haven't seen this on any other yoga mat. By the way, this is all unique too. We made this from scratch. But is this little indentation of the line. And it's perfect for Warrior Two because in a Warrior Two, your foot isn't actually facing straight out to the side. It's facing slightly in. So instead of you facing your foot straight out and aligning it with that part of the line, you turn your foot slightly in, and then it's aligned with that indentation. And then you know that you're doing the pose correctly. And then just also looking at this vertical line down the mat helps me make sure that my femur or my thigh is parallel to that edge, so it's not coming in like that. And anyway, so there's just so many applications of these markings, but they really do apply to almost every yoga pose. And we think that we really nailed it with this alignment system. So that's how you use it. Again, it's meant as reference points, not as exact spots where you put your foot. So it's not like Twister, they're reference points. If you already have this mat, I hope you're enjoying it. If you don't have this mat yet, this is our limited edition Manful Yoga version of the mat, but you can get it at manfulyoga.com/mat. And if you buy them sooner rather than later, you'll get them at our exclusive early price. The prices will go up later on, but if you buy them sooner, again, you're going to get them at up to 20% savings or even more. And that's it. Make sure you learn more about the mat at manflowyoga.com/mat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Awesome mat, tons of cool features that I've outlined in other videos. But basically, we've got the Cork no slip surface. It's super thick, it's extra long, it's extra wide, the alignment system, and it's made from premium materials, comes with a 1-year warranty. So all that stuff and the alignment system. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on another video.